God! Is anyone home?
Oh, hi there.
Help me! Someone is after me!
Poor thing. I can help you, you know.
Help! Help!
Gotcha! Sissy, what the hell are you waiting on? Get to it!
I got this under control.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago. But with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
You can do this, Ana. You get away from me!
I ain't much interested in chasing you around much longer, so stop your running!
Poor thing. You really gotta watch where you're stepping.
This is a nightmare.
Now what are you doing in there? Hell, this is just plain damn silly. Come on out of there. We ain't playing no hide and seek, you hear me?
Get away from me! Get the fuck away from me!
What exactly is it you think you're doing in there? Oh, child, I'm snappier than you think. Your little friend had it coming. Johnny that way.
Come on back now.